Good morning, Dunedin. It was a very nice night here, cozy, but we are on our way now north. We are going north. The sun is out. It's about time. Yeah, our next destination will be to see some boulders on the road. Moraki Boulder Beach. Let's go. I hope we'll have a nice day. Oh, it's warm and nice. I'm so happy to be out of the city again. Cities are a good place if you want to rest, see some culture, enjoy the day, but otherwise cities are a nightmare for riding. So it's a beautiful day here. The roads are great, and I hope that we will see some nice panoramic views. There isn't much to say or to tell so far as we are going north. It's getting warmer, which is nice, and the only thing we have to think about is like very serious things, like where to eat or where to find a gas station. So we have reached the ocean again. Now it's going to be, I guess, a very nice ride along the beach. Look how beautiful it is. The sun is gone, it became cold again. And you can smell the ocean. Moraki boulders. There are more cars than boulders so far. Let's see what's going on over here. Boulders are massive spherical concretions found on Koekoe Beach on New Zealand's South Island. Formed roughly 60 million years ago, these natural wonders grew within mudstone through calcite accumulation. That was the Boulder Beach, in which I was attacked by thousands of mosquitoes and flies. Now the next stop is Oamaru. They say they have a nice Victorian area there, heritage place. Let's go and see. We met a bunch of 12 riders from Australia. They are stuck with us here as well as we are waiting for the green light. reach the old district of Umaro, a city that was established by people who had nothing else to do or nothing better to do. And this is how it looks like. A nice cluster of old buildings. We left the city of Amaro on the way to Timaru. Something like 80 kilometers going north. They said it's a scenic route, but so far it is rather boring and ugly. So I guess that I will turn off the camera, and if nothing interesting will come up, I will see you on the way to Geraldine when we will depart from the seashore, heading northwest. We had enough of this boring road, so we are going to take a different one, more to the west, and will take us to Geraldine. Hopefully it will be much nicer, because this road was just boring. 1 hour more. It's getting cold again. We decided to get away from this boring coastal road, and we took to another one which is more motorcycle friendly. It's road number 8, and we are on our way to Geraldine. And immediately 5 kilometers after we left the coastal road, everything became much nicer. So I'm very happy we did it. Motorcycles just have a different way of looking at things. The time is almost 5 o'clock in the evening, but the problem is that Yael's tank is almost empty. Hopefully we will reach the next gas station, which is 22 kilometers away from here. We made it on time. On the last cc's of fuel that she has, she made it. But if you remember, this is the town when we first passed here and had some pies over here. So we're back in Fairlin, which is cool. The CF motor does not need refill. Just about time. Okay, it took us some time to find this place, but it's really lovely. Home sweet home, Geraldine.
איך מצאנו?